No.
You spent $7,000 of my parents' money. So what? That means we have what? We have $8,000 left to do the venue and to pay for catering and.
Yeah, about that. I went ahead and bought a wedding dress too. It was a custom wedding dress, and I didn't want to have to tell you about it because I really want the first time that you know anything about the dress or see me in the dress. I wanted it to be special and on the day of our wedding, and so I didn't tell you that I kind of spent quite a bit on getting a dress as well.
What does quite a bit mean?
Like $4,000 range. But it's a custom dress, and it's absolutely breathtaking.